Welcome to our YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. Which of the following article of Indian Constitution is related to promoting international peace and security? Your right answer is Article 51. Option B is your correct answer. According to the 2011 census, what is the population density of the Union Territory? Your right answer is Delhi. Option C is your correct answer. What are the protected remains of living organism? Your right answer is fossil. Option D is your correct answer. According to the golden goal rule in hockey, the team which goal in extra time given in declared dash and the match is stopped here. Your right answer is winner. Option C is your correct answer. In which constitution the principle of state policy directive was taken from the constitution in the Indian Constitution? Your right answer is Constitution of Ireland. Option D. In 1960, which English general defeated the French general Lally in War of Vandivas? Your right answer is Henri Cote. Option D is your correct answer. The format of the parliamentary system of government described in the Indian Constitution was drafted on the basis of which constitution? Your right answer is British format. Option C is your correct answer. What is the sum of the kinetic and potential energy of an object? Your right answer is total mechanical energy. Option A is your correct answer. Members of the Rajya Sabha, your right answer is indirectly selected. Option C is your correct answer. Who had the chairmanship of the National Commission formed in the interest of farmers in 2004? Your right answer is M.S. Swaminathan. Option B is your correct answer. In the Union Territory of Puducherry, the assembly was formed in what year? Your right answer is 1963. Option B is your correct answer. Who founded the Asiatic Society of Bengal? Your right answer is William Jones. Option A is your correct answer. Dash is heterogeneous mixture whose particles are so excellular that cannot be seen with the naked eye, but they are so large that they can disperse the light. Your right answer is colored. Option D is your correct answer. What is the measurement of the mass of an object? Your right answer is inertia. Option A is your correct answer. Which game is associated with the Vijay Hazare Trophy? Your right answer is cricket. Option D is your correct answer. When did the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir come into force? Your right answer is November 17, 1956. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is a multi-elemental element? Your right answer is sulfur. Option A is your correct answer. How did the implementation of the Indian Constitution formally apply? Your right answer is January 26, 1950. Option B is your correct answer. In what form is the relativistic mass of a molecule expressed? Your right answer is atomic mass unit. Option C is your correct answer. What year was set up in the Planning Commission? Your right answer is 1950. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is not a volcano? Your right answer is dike. Option B is your correct answer. According to Industrial Policy Resolution IPR 1956 passed by the Indian Parliament, many sections have been divided into industries. Your right answer is 3 squares. Option D is your correct answer. The cell wall of plant cell is formed. Your right answer is of cellulose. Option A is your correct answer. Pangong Teso Lake is located in which state? Your right answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Option C is your correct answer. What is the force on that object when you immerse some object in water? Your right answer is boiling force. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is not a type of water-based production fishery method? Your right answer is apiculture. Option B is your correct answer. The slogan of do or die is related to which of the following movement? Your right answer is Quit India movement. Option C is your correct answer. Mississippi River is located in which of the following country? Your right answer is United States. Option B is your correct answer. Who was the chairman of the 14th Finance Commission? Your right answer is Y.V. Reddy. Option C is your correct answer. Which card is used to warn a player in a football game? Your right answer is yellow card. Option D is your correct answer. Who is called the architect of the creation of Indian scheme? Your right answer is Pacific Chandra Mahalanobis. Option A is your correct answer. Which part of Indian cotton-based cotton fabrics were located in India? Your right answer is western part. Option C is your correct answer. Where is the Vital Swami temple located? Your right answer is Hampi. Option A is your correct answer. 200 centimeter what type of forest are found in areas with rainfall over? Your right answer is evergreen forest. Option A is your correct answer. In 1930-31, where did the first roundtable conference between India leaders and the British government be held? Your right answer is London. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following style is related to the architecture of the Victoria Memorial in Calcutta? Your right answer is Indo-Arabian. Option D is your correct answer. The Policy Commission is, your right answer is unconstitutional body. Option A is your correct answer. Where was the first Tamil Sangham organized? Your right answer is Madurai. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following wrote a book based on ancient science in the relation to medicine? Your right answer is Charak. Option D is your correct answer. Which river separate Laos from Thailand? Your right answer is Mekong. Option D is your correct answer. Which organization was founded by Vishnu Shastri Pandit in the 19th century? Your right answer is Widow Remarriage Organization. Option A is your correct answer. Which surface of the earth is also called asthenosphere? Your right answer is Bhupati. Option C is your correct answer. The Lok Sabha and the Assembly election of each state per dash year? Your right answer is 5 years. Option A is your correct answer. What is the game related to the activities of the hitting, stopping, dribbling, throw stick? Your right answer is hockey. Option A is your correct answer. Who was the Viceroy of India during the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 1919? Your right answer is Chelmsford. Option A is your correct answer. What is that part of the middle of the small intestine which is the main site for absorption of nutrient? Your right answer is interference. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following agency is controlled by the financial sector in India? Your right answer is Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Option C is your correct answer. The old alluvial soil is called, your right answer is Bhangar. Option A is your correct answer. The word changing the direction is used in which of the following game? Your right answer is Kho-Kho. Option B is your correct answer. This is the last questions of today class. Question of 50. Who is the first Indian woman wrestler to win a medal in the Olympic? Your right answer is Sakshi Malik. Option C is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get your success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.